Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome in my channel Learning Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach how can you say what is your name in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's get started. When you meet a new friend, you have a curious feeling and you want to know what is his name. But firstly, you must select. You're talking with what? Male or female? Why I ask you this question? Because it's a different thing in Arabic. If you talk to a male or boy, you will ask him ما اسمك. ما اسمك. ما it means what? And اسمك your name. And the person will reply to you أنا اسمي محمد. أنا it means I am. And اسمي my name. Muhammad is the famous name in Arabic countries. And he can say أنا محمد. I am Muhammad. Or اسمي محمد. My name is Muhammad. Or he can say just Muhammad. Okay? And if you asking a new friend ما اسمك? ما اسمك? He will reply to you أنا اسمي عبد الله. أنا it means I am. اسمي my name. Abdullah it's the famous name in Arabic countries. And he can answer أنا عبد الله. I am Abdullah. Or اسمي عبد الله. My name is Abdullah. Or just Abdullah. If you're talking a female or girl, you will ask here ما اسمك. ما اسمك. ما it means what? اسمك is the name, your name. And you can notice I'm moving my chin down and put kasra in the end of word. ما اسمك. She will reply to you أنا اسمي فاطمة. أنا it means I am. اسمي my name. Fatima it's the famous name in Arabic countries. And she can say أنا فاطمة. I am Fatima. Or اسمي فاطمة. My name is Fatima. Or she can say only Fatima. If you're asking me what is your name? ما اسمك. ما اسمك. Now you answer me. ما اسمك. I will reply to you more answers. أنا اسمي دينا. My name is Dina. Or أنا دينا. I'm Dina. Or اسمي دينا. My name is Dina. Or I can say just Dina. Dina. My name. Okay? How can you say goodbye in Arabic? We have more expressions in this case. You can say إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء it means goodbye. إلى اللقاء means goodbye. And you can say أراك لاحقا. أراك if you're talking to a male or boy. أراك لاحقا. You can notice I'm opening my mouth and put fatha in the top of word araka. Araka lahikan. And if you're talking to a female or girl, you can say araki lahikan. Araki lahikan. I'm moving my chin down and put kasra in the end of word araki. Araki lahikan. And you can say مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة it means with safety. مع with and السلامة safety. مع السلامة. Please repeat after me again and now I'm reviewing all the lessons. How can you say what is your name in Arabic? Firstly, you must select you're talking with what? Male or female. If you're talking with a male, you will say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. And open your mouth and put fatha In the end of words. ما اسمك. ما اسمك. If you're talking to a female or girl, you will say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. How can you say goodbye in Arabic? I told you we have more expressions in this case. You can say إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. Or أراك لاحقا. If you're talking with a male, أراك لاحقا. If you're talking with a female or girl, you will say أراكي لاحقا. أراكي لاحقا. And you can say مع السلامة. مع السلامة. All these expressions have the same meaning. I hope you like my lesson. If you like my video, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to write it in the below of comments and I will reply to you. And you can follow me in my page on Facebook and my Instagram. And Larry, I'm so happy when I teach you my lesson. And see you in the next video. مع السلامة.